Are you in search of the best land surveyor in Amaravathi? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to provide you with exceptional land surveying services. With their expertise and experience, they have established themselves as the leading land surveyor in the region. Whether you need a survey for a residential property or a commercial project, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other land surveyors is their commitment to precision and accuracy. They understand the importance of reliable and accurate survey data, and strive to deliver nothing but the best. Their team of highly skilled and knowledgeable surveyors utilize the latest technology and equipment to ensure that every survey is conducted with utmost precision. When you choose Scon Design India Pvt Ltd as your land surveyor, you can rest assured that you are working with professionals who are dedicated to providing top-notch services. They take the time to understand your specific requirements and tailor their surveying approach accordingly. Whether it's boundary surveys, topographic surveys, or construction layout surveys, they have the expertise to handle it all. Another reason why Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the best land surveyor in Amaravathi is their commitment to timely delivery. They understand that time is of the essence in any project, and strive to complete their surveys within the agreed-upon timeframe. Their efficient and organized approach ensures that you receive your survey data in a timely manner, allowing you to proceed with your project without any delays. Furthermore, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers competitive pricing for their land surveying services. Are you in the process of developing a project in Amaravathi and in need of the best land surveyor in the area? Look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With their exceptional expertise and unmatched professionalism, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as the go-to choice for all land surveying needs in Amaravathi. Their team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors is equipped with state-of-the-art technology and tools to ensure accurate and reliable results. Whether you require land surveying for residential, commercial, or industrial purposes, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. When it comes to land surveying, precision and accuracy are paramount. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands this and prides itself on delivering top-notch services that meet and exceed client expectations. Their attention to detail and commitment to quality ensures that every survey they conduct is thorough and precise. By utilizing advanced surveying techniques and equipment, they can provide accurate measurements, boundary delineation, and topographical mapping. This level of precision is crucial for any project's success, whether it's for construction, infrastructure development, or land subdivision. Not only does Scon Design India Pvt Ltd excel in providing accurate land surveying services, but they also prioritize client satisfaction.